Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Creator. Today I'm here with a WhatsApp hack, that is how to schedule a WhatsApp message automatically for a particular time. You can schedule a message automatically for that time by using just 2 Python lines. That is so easy. So guys, let's start into the act. First of all, we'll open the browser. Okay, in the browser we'll search for pywhatkit. Okay, so we'll click the first one. Okay, from here we'll copy this thing, pip install pywhatkit. We'll copy it. Okay, and you need to have PyCharm installed into your computer to run the Python codes. Okay, we'll open PyCharm. I will install PyCharm community earlier. Okay, yes, so here we'll open a new project. I'll just name it hack of WhatsApp. Okay, create, and just click this window. Okay, here I'll just clear this window. Okay, then we will go to terminal, which is at the bottom of the window. Okay, terminal, and here we'll paste the thing we have copied earlier from our browser. Just pasting it, that is pip install pywhatkit, and we will press enter. So it's executing. Okay, it have been installed. My computer, it have already been installed, so it doesn't take much time. If it's for the first time, it will take much more time. Okay, now we'll go to the main window and we'll type import pywhatkit. Import pywhatkit. Sorry. Import pywhatkit. Okay. And the next code and the next line is the last line, and we are finished with the process. Just type pywhatkit, that is from pywhatkit. We'll be taking the function send what message. See here, send what message. Here in the brackets given to type the phone number, the message you have to send, and the time in hours at which you have to send the message. So we'll just click on it and we'll first write the phone number. Okay, with the Python code. I'm not showing you the number. Okay. Now we'll type the message, like if it's someone's birthday. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, and the time at which you have to send the message. Okay, now the time is 1/6, that is 13/6. So we'll send a message at 13/7. Okay, and we will press run. Okay, here in 5 seconds web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds message will be delivered. So here guys, see, I'm doing nothing and the message is sending on its own. You here see guys, it's written happy birthday. I didn't do anything. They have written happy birthday on its own, and see what happens. Okay, see guys, they have sent the message on its own. This is so simple guys, that you have just to know 2 lines of Python. So easy that you can send message to your loved ones at their scheduled time. This is just 2 lines of Python code.